Opposition leader NACHAMISA is deployed, a team of technical and police experts to investigate the root causes of Tuesday's tragic Chitungwiza accident, which claimed 17 lives. The team presented its preliminary findings Wednesday morning, calling for urgent reforms to address the deeper national failures behind the horror crash. Sarabina Mashukubuda Pangwa Inoi, a summary of the team's observations. Pangwa Inoi subscribe or like on the bell. What happened on the 22nd of July 2025? Along Seke Road must be more than just a passing headline. It must be a sobering turning point for our nation. The stark reality of this tragedy reflects the unbearable cost of systemic failure. We must all take a serious pause to reflect. Chamisa's team stressed the need to look beyond the accident and focus on the human stories behind the headlines. Each name, each journey, each final moment. These lives lost speak to a nation where daily survival has become a nightmare. What we witnessed was not just a result of human error or technical failure. It was a manifestation of deep leadership, decay, national dysfunction, and crumbling infrastructure. One of the victims was a young couple and their child. They had set out on a routine trip to register the child's birth, a task that should have been straightforward. Instead, it ended in a tragedy. Chamisa questioned why basic services like birth registration will require families to travel across towns and provinces. Why must people travel such long distances for essential services? Why is decentralization not been implemented to bring government closer to the people? Another victim was an elderly woman from Rewa who had traveled with a young relative to collect groceries in Chitungwiza. The story highlights the harsh reality of Zimbabwe's broken economy, where families must endure long and dangerous journeys to access basics like food. The team's report further cited a series of long-standing failures. Seke Road is unfit for modern traffic volumes and poses daily risks to commuters. Road safety enforcement is weak, irregular, and lacks accountability. Emergency response services are underfunded, ill-equipped, and incapable of coping with the crisis. He concluded with a call for national introspection and action. We cannot continue to normalize pain, loss, and dysfunction. This tragedy must be our wake-up call. We must emerge from this moment stronger, more compassionate, and determined to rebuild with God guiding us through it all. NACHAMISA. Thomas Kwarubuda Pangwa Inoi. Tuze mafunguro mot kudi pamsoro pe this investigation YTSccc advocate NACHAMISA. Bina comment section medu mafunguro so subscribe or like share on the bell icon.